Happy Sunday morning to all of my Bitcoin traders and all of the Bitcoin traders around the world who are not currently trading Bitcoin. This is a daily chart. That is the top of the resistance. We see Bitcoin traveling to 78,000 when we top above that resistance of 55,000. Donald J. Trump and Bitcoin are going to have one of the biggest rallies in 2025. You can use my guidance. You can also get a funded Bitcoin account. We do give out buying power. You could trade crypto under our guidance because we know that two people work better than one. We know that for a fact after 35 years and 25 years of live interaction. BTC remains one of the best investments on the planet. You got the SEC being changed. You got Donald Trump who supports crypto big time. And there's a big crypto rally coming with Donald J. Trump being elected. And you Bitcoin bulls are going to be bulled up forever.